Being a mother is never easy, especially when you are the only one working hard to provide for your child. This was the tragic fate of a 22-year-old single mother whose only goal was to work and provide a better life for her child. Her name was Rena Jane Golan Brigildo, a single mother who worked as a card collector for a lending company. On August 3, 2026, as she normally did, Rena Jane went to work to collect payments in her assigned area. But that day, she never made it home to her family. And this was where the search for her began. A search that would eventually lead to a heartbreaking discovery. According to the investigation, CCTV footage showed Rena Jane riding on a motorcycle. The driver was later considered the primary suspect in her disappearance. The suspect was identified as 21-year-old Piolo Guerra Mapon, reportedly a habal-habal driver. The suspect eventually surrendered to authorities and revealed where he had left the victim's body. On August 9th, Rena Jane's body was found in Sitio Ilaya, Barangay Matlang, Isabel Leyte. By then, her body was already in an advanced stage of decomposition. According to the initial investigation, the suspect allegedly became angry after Rena Jane told him that she would report him to the police if he refused to sign a demand letter regarding his debt. But when the suspect allegedly refused to cooperate, the situation reportedly took a darker turn. According to the suspect's account, he deceived Rena Jane by telling her that he would pay the debt. Instead, he allegedly took her to a remote area. And that was where, according to his statement, the crime took place. The suspect reportedly admitted to strangling Rena Jane until she lost her life. His statement also included allegations that he touched the victim's private parts. However, it is important to remember that these details are based on the suspect's statement and the initial investigation. They do not mean that every allegation has already been proven in court. As of now, authorities have not yet released an exact official cause of death for Rena Jane, and the case remains under investigation. A mother left home to work and earn money for her child, but she never made it back. And perhaps the question that continues to haunt her family is this: why did something as simple as working to provide for her child have to end in such a tragedy? In the end, justice is not only about finding the person responsible. It is also about giving a voice to a mother who can no longer speak for herself. For Rena Jane, and for the child she left behind, may they receive the justice they deserve.